So back in September of 2022, my best friend Courtney and I took a trip to Miami to jump on a Carnival cruise. The name of the ship was the Carnival Sunrise. My boy Will actually hit me up a while back and was like, yo, y'all want to go on a cruise? And I was like, yo, let's do it. So he invited me, he invited some family, he invited some other people out, man, and we just met in Miami and jumped on the cruise, man, and had a great time. The ship took us over to Ocho Rios, Jamaica, to the Cayman Islands, and we just kind of hung out and had some fun in the sun. So we left from Miami and we got there the day before the cruise, because you never want to fly in the day of your cruise because you just never know what could happen. There's flight delays, transportation issues, things like that. You just never know what might come up and prevent you from getting on that ship that you paid some good money to go on. When we made it to Miami, we were able to relax and see the city a little bit. And being that I've never been to Miami, we took the time out to do some exploring. And along with some other places that we visited, which I'll tell you guys about in a little bit, you know we had to hit the world famous South Beach. One of my favorite movies is Scarface, and there's a scene in the beginning of the movie where Tony Montana has this drug deal that goes wrong, and he ends up shooting this dude in the middle of the street. And that's right there on South Beach. The hotel we actually stayed in was real cool. It was in Coconut Grove. The name of the hotel was Courtyard Miami Coconut Grove. Bro, it was really nice. They had free Wi-Fi, outdoor pool, a gym, and my favorite thing was a bicycle rental, because I needed to go to the liquor store and pick up some goodies for the cruise, some bottles of wine, some tequila for the night, some beer, things like that. There's a liquor store right down the street, man, and I jumped on that bike. I was like, oh, this bike got a basket too? Let's roll. So I think the rental itself was probably like maybe a couple dollars a day, or it might have been free as a part of your stay. I'm not 100% sure, but I know they did have bikes that you could use. But we about to pregame. We're gonna have a good time. We're going to hit El Rey de la Fritas as well as Domino Park and just explore. And man, that's one thing I loved about traveling, is just trying to see as much stuff as you can, you know. So yeah, man, El Rey de la Fritas is located in Little Havana. It's on Calle Ocho. It's a real cool little restaurant, man. They serve a whole bunch of traditional Cuban dishes and some real strong-ass Cuban coffee, but they're best known for their fritas. Fritas are Cuban hamburgers with a bunch of shoestring potatoes on top. And I don't know what seasoning they use or what they put in that shit, but oh my God, man. I'm actually, as I'm recording this, I'm going on a trip a few months from now, right? And we have a layover is in Miami. Guess where I'm going? As soon as I touch down, I'm catching an Uber from the airport, going straight to El Rey de la Fritas, and I'm coming back. I've never really had a chance to explore Miami. I've never really actually been to Miami before. So I wanted to see as much as I could and do as much as I could in the short couple of hours that we were there. So a few of the places that I actually found out about before I went to Miami were on the same street, which was Calle Ocho. In Calle Ocho, man, they have everything there. They have restaurants, bars, cigar shops, salsa clubs. There's so much to do off of Calle Ocho, man. It's in Little Havana. They're in Miami. We finally made it over to Domino Park. The actual name of the park is Maximo Gomez Park, but everyone just refers to it as Domino Park. But it's good, man, just getting out, seeing things like that, and just experiencing and enjoying life. You know, that's what we're here to do, and we should try our best to do it. You know, so I like looking and finding little hidden gems, just like those guys playing dominoes, or, you know, just a piece of the world that I've never seen before. You know, I've never been to Calle Ocho. you know, but I can tell other people about Calle Ocho and tell them what there is to do down there, what there is to see, where there is to eat. The best hamburger place in the world is right there off of Calle Ocho, you know. But that's the joy, that's the blessing of being able to travel and just see other places and see other things.
So in the words of Ice Cube, today was a good day. Man, it was a good day, man. We had a great time. Now we're headed back over to South Beach to go meet up with Will and Toya, get some drinks and some food, and just relax and kind of just get ready for tomorrow. Tomorrow is the cruise, and we want to be alert and awake and be ready for what this cruise has to throw our way.
What's happening, dog?
Hey, what it do, bro?
What's good? Where we at, man?
Hey,
What's going on?
We're leaving South Beach.
We're just enjoying the weather, the breeze. It still feels so good.
It really does.
So, just having a good time, man.
I almost screamed. I thought I saw a cat walk up on me. I got scared.